Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the audio tag. So first what we need to do is here just type audio. I'll remove the SRC because this is the now the way I'm gonna do, and type controls, and that way you have the full control of it, and then use the source tag. So source tag, and here I'm gonna put songs.mp3. be sure that it's on the same, this is the on the same directory, right? Song.mp3. So song.mp3, and the type, change the type to audio and slash MPEG because it's the full format for the MP3. And when you see on the browser, you can see here what that is, and put something a p tag so it will look good. This is a song. Another way. So yeah, when you play that, you can play this. So this is the way you can do it, and here you can change the volume, right? Like here, like this. So hope you guys understand. So see you guys in the next tutorial.